And they also have pockets, real pockets. Real pockets, that's important. This is definitely really dark, I need another light. Hey YouTube, so welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be my super late monthly alterations for the month of October. I want to say there's like a million reasons why I didn't get this video up, and there's a couple. Like, I got in a car accident, I had a surgery on this side of my mouth. I'll be having another surgery in December for it. Endometriosis has been kicking my butt. My job's been kicking my butt. So at least we're here, you know, halfway through November, getting this up. So this video is going to be super short because I only have 4 items to show you guys for the month of October, but as a bonus footage and kind of like a helpful, like, quick fix for those of you who do go out and thrift and are seeing items, particularly skirts, that are a little too big for you. I show you a quick fix at the end of the video to where you can just make them fit you. So I'm gonna quit rambling and fidgeting and get into this. So the first item I'm gonna show you is a pair of pants that I thrifted like a month or 2 ago. If I can find the exact video, I will link it down below. I will also link my thrifting playlist down below if you ever want to see any of my hauls or thrift videos or any of that good stuff. So that'll be down below as well. They're just these super bright pants. So for these, the waistband was a little too big. These were a size medium and my waist is an extra small, so I just went in and made the waist smaller. The great thing about pants like this is if you're going to go and try to do this yourself, it's a lot easier with pants that have this really thick stretchy band. If you want a video on how I take the waist in for pants in particular, let me know, because I also take the butt part in to where it fits how it should if it were your exact size. Let me know if that's something you're interested in. More than happy to do videos like that. I find that they're really helpful, and it's I watch a ton of videos like that too. So I just took the waist in for these pants. I also styled these over on my Instagram. I'll pop a picture somewhere on the screen for you guys to see. Shameless plug. So the next 2 items I have are actually in a set. Those pants I got from Salvation Army, I do believe, and then this set I bought is also from Salvation Army. I don't typically check the coordinates section for, like, obviously coordinates, but for some reason that day I did. So this is the top. This is a size women's large. So because I am only 5'5", I can get away with wearing this as a dress with shorts underneath for like the summer festivals, or I can tuck it in and make it into a shirt like it's supposed to be, which I think is what I did for the triangle clip. For this, it did have slits on the side, so I went ahead and sewn up. So I went ahead and closed up the slits, and then the armholes were way too big. They exposed my bra completely, which for the summer that would be fantastic, but for like an everyday thing, not so much. So I did go ahead and close up the sides of the sleeves a little bit, and also took it in to where it fit a little bit tighter around the bust area and flowed out a little bit more on the bottom, if that makes sense. You'll see in the triangle clip. And then the pants that came with it, I really love like ugly print pants or just like funky printed stuff. So once again, all I did for these pants right here was take in the waistband, and the front of these are just like a very normal waistband. There's no stretch to this, but the back does have that nice elastic waistband, so it was really easy to do for these. And they also have pockets, real pockets. Real pockets, that's important. Real pockets are important, they matter. So this next item I'm going to show you is what we will be sewing together. We will be watching me sew it and alter it. So this is the quick fix item. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of like give you a little preview of it now, how it ended up looking. I will do the triangle clip. This triangle clip I will be filming after I finish filming this. And please do not mind my stomach. I have endometriosis and Mother Nature is in town, and it's just not a fun time for anyone, but here we go. I also featured this in a haul video too. Most of the stuff that I alter is in haul videos, so watch my haul videos. This is a beautiful floral print maxi skirt. It's extremely flowy, which was what made this alteration super easy. And I actually got this idea from a Notorious KIA. I will link her channel down below. I love her style. I love her thrifting videos she does. I love her styling videos. I love all of her videos. She did a video on like quick fixes for thrifted items, how to adjust them obviously super fast, and her version of this involved a belt and a pin, I do believe. I will list that particular video down below for you guys to check out. It's super helpful if you're wanting to do quick fixes on thrifted items and don't obviously have a ton of time. That's why it's a quick fix, duh. But I went ahead and just adjusted mine. The reason I did it this way is because I plan on keeping this item, but in the event that I plan on selling it, and someone that is an actual size large wants this, all I can do is undo the threads real quick, and there's no markings on it, and they get a beautiful skirt on their size. So this I just took in the waistband. I'm not sure how well you'll be able to see it right here, but there is some stitching right there and some stitching right here. So that is everything I have to show you guys right now. We're gonna go ahead and jump into the quick fix demonstration. This is the last little bit of it talking like this you're gonna see, so subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload. You can follow me on Instagram to see styling photos and shop my closet. I am selling some stuff over on Instagram, and then I also am selling the same stuff on Vinted. If you have a Vinted and would rather purchase through there, I do offer same and next day shipping. So I think that's all I have for you guys. Let's jump into this demonstration. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take the skirt and place it around the part of your waist or hips that you want it to fit. So for me, that's a little bit more higher up. The skirt is super long and I am only 5'5". So to go ahead and secure the parts where we're going to be adding some seams, is that the right word? Some stitches, there we go. I decided to use bobby pins just because when I use actual push pins and I try to take it off, I usually end up stabbing myself by accident. So to avoid that, I've started using bobby pins. So now you're going to lay it flat on the table and you're going to take out the first bobby pin and replace it with an actual sewing push pin. I don't know if push pin's the correct terminology, but that's what I'm going to keep calling it. So what you're going to want to do is select your thread color and thread your needle off camera like I did. I chose white just because the stitching in the skirt already is white. So what I'm doing is I'm taking that first outer part of the skirt, the part that would be facing the outside, and attaching it to the middle part. I don't know if I'm explaining this well. I'm trying my best, but so you're just going to connect the front and the middle part. Zoomed in, thought it would be easier for you guys to see what I'm talking about. And then you're going to connect all 3 layers. So the front, middle, and back. You're going to put a couple stitches going all the way through. I find that it's easier to do 2 at a time. You're going to move on to the second portion of it. Remove that, add your pin. This time I decided to do the middle through the back. And when I say back, the back is the part that is pressed up against your skin. So the middle and the back part of what I'm attaching now. Go ahead and put a few stitches like that. And I did some pretty big stitches. I didn't want to do like a ton of tiny ones just in case I do end up selling this someday. There'll be less holes. So yeah. Now we're going to go ahead, same thing as we did on the other side, and sew all 3 of them together. Now you're going to jump down to where the bottom of the waistband is, and you're going to attach all 3 layers together. I did this on the other side as well, I just forgot to show it. So put a couple stitches down at the bottom just so it lays a little bit nicer. And this is the final look with everything sewn together and tried on. So as you can see, unless you're really close, you can't tell that we've even folded it or sewn it. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. All right, bye.